spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. You will find links to more information about each of the following products in the video description. This week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Isotip Tools. The fine folks at Isotip sent me a Model 8000 Power Pro Advanced Cordless Soldering Iron Kit to test, and I must say that I'm very impressed. I was always skeptical about whether cordless soldering irons could really provide enough heat to do the job. After using the Model 8000, I wonder how I ever got by without it. To use it, simply turn the knob from lock to use, press the button, count to 10, and the unit can provide up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit for your solder joint. The unit can solder up to 200 joints on a single charge, more than I ever planned to do at one sitting, and the unit's lithium ion phosphate battery can fully recharge in about 3 hours. Best of all, it cannot overcharge, so just leave it in the charger and it's ready when you are. Also, the iron features an automatic shutoff, so you won't burn your house down if you forget to turn it off. And being cordless means the tool is ready to use when and where you need it. Whether on the workbench or under the layout, you never need to worry about the nearest electric outlet. The kit comes complete with a charger and 2 tips, a high-efficiency chisel tip, and a high-efficiency fine tip. A wide variety of other tips are available from Isotip as well. The included tips will take care of the vast majority of soldering projects on my workbench, so I can retire my conventional corded soldering iron. Experience the freedom of cordless rechargeable soldering with the Isotip Model 8000 Power Pro Advanced Soldering Kit. Follow the links in the video description and get yours today. MTH Electric Trains has announced several exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-scale switch towers in various liveries for MTH authorized retailers. Examples include a Long Island switch tower available through Train World, a B&O switch tower through Stockyard Express, and Lafayette Junction for Mr. Muffin's Trains. Check the video description for links to pricing and availability information on these neat switch towers. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-scale New York Dock Railway 060 Imperial 9 USRA steam switcher for Train World in Brooklyn, New York. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in October 2023. The early order price is $499.99. Menards has released the new M&M's gondola car with M&M's figures. The car features 5 removable M&M's figures and a floor inset that resembles a pile of candy. The cars retail for $24.99 each or $84.95 for a 4-pack before rebates. And wear your favorite railroad logo for everyone to see with these and other cool railroad-themed baseball caps from Amazon. And finally, don't forget to check out the Model 8000 Pro Power Soldering Tool from our friends at Isotip, the perfect soldering tool for your workbench. Remember, this channel receives a small commission for qualifying purchases generated from these links, so you get the product you want and you support your favorite channel at the same time. That's all for this week. Don't forget to look for our newest long-form video this Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Until then, keep the trains running.